Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stampin' Before Anything Else. I'm excited to share with you our Heartwarming Hugs class to go. This class is going to be featuring the Warm Hugs bundle, which is on page 9 of the 2020 August to December mini catalog. In this class, you'll be able to make 4 fun fold cards and 3 projects that you can gift to loved ones. This class is going to include the Warm Hugs stamp set and the Warm Wraps dice, which is just adorable. Look at these cute little things that you could easily put on the front of cards, on top of coffee cups. In the class, you'll get all of the cardstock to make all of the projects, including the mini coffee carrier and the 2 coffee cups. Plus, you'll also get a free bolt of the diagonal strip Mossy Meadow ribbon, a whole brand new bolt. You won't get a used one like this. The class also is going to include PDF measurements for you to make sure that you're cutting and scoring, or if you want to replicate all these projects in the future. And it'll also include video tutorials for you to follow along with as you are making the projects. The first option is going to include all of the supplies that you see here in front of you. It's going to include that free bolt of ribbon, and it's going to include the stamp set and die for you to keep. The bulk of this price is going to go towards the bundle itself, but you also have the option, if you already have the Warm Hugs bundle, to substitute the price of the bundle, which is $46.75, and then you will only get charged the cost of the supplies for the class. And then we have a third option where you could just purchase the PDF measurements and the video tutorials to make all of these projects. All of the cards feature these cute little fun folds that include gift cards, if you're into giving gift cards to your family members, because that obviously is a lot easier than sometimes giving gifts. And then just even cute little folds for you to send to your friends. This one's probably my favorite because it looks so simple on the outside, but on the inside, it's a cute little fun fold that kind of pops up and gets in your face. This is a hot chocolate holder with candies in it. We also have this little holder that will be tied in a bow, but you open it, it has 4 tea light candles in it. And then the coffee carrier with the 2 coffee mugs on the inside as well. Registration for this class is going to be closing on December 4th. And so you want to make sure that you have your payment in by then so we can go ahead and order all the supplies and get that out to you as soon as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at stampingbay@yahoo.com. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this class. Take care. Bye.